Lesson 1, Project Environment. In the definitions of project and project management, we learned that many challenges come from the environment. Well, projects have to interact with two environments. The first one is the internal environment that deals with the organization, its culture, politics, policies, and norms. And the other one, the most challenging one, is the external environment. That's the country or region, and the socioeconomic, political, environmental, health, infrastructure. All of these have an impact on project management. Project management depends on a set of processes, skills from people, and tools. And these are, in turn, impacted or limited by what we can find in the internal environment, which means organization, and the external environment, which is the country or region. What are these areas of interaction? Project management needs those three elements. The first one are the processes. That includes all the policies, procedures, regulations. That includes the project management methodology that the organization might be using. The skills is the people, the capacity, the training, their experience, the labor market in terms of what skills can you get in order to have in your project team, and the compensation and benefits available for the organization. And tools is the technology, the communications, infrastructure that is available and help you manage the project. The internal environment will have an impact on those areas. In terms of process, it's going to be what policies and procedures and standards are being used by an organization. The skills, in terms of the benefits, the compensations, the norms and rules, and the training available made by the organization that the project can use. And the tools can include some of the organizational standards, some of the tools, systems, technology that the project will be able to use. The external environment also has an impact. In terms of the process, they're going to be looking at donor and local government requirements and the laws that are going to be limiting how the projects and processes are being used. The skills in terms of the local labor market, education centers that you can use to train the team. And the tools, what is available in the market, what is the level and the quality of the infrastructure in terms of communications or technology. All of those three elements are impacted by the environment, and in project management you're going to need all of these three elements, and having a good understanding of where they are and how they're going to be impacted is going to be one of those elements that are going to help you in your project. Dealing with this project environment means that you have to have a good understanding of this project environment, both the internal and the external. You need to identify any constraints or limitations in terms of what you can do in terms of your process, the skills, and the tools, and monitor for changes. It is common that what you have an understanding at the beginning of a project, the environment may change. There are going to be new regulations, new challenges, new problems, and that environment is going to have an impact on your project. So it's important to monitor for those changes both in the internal and the external environment.